If you want to learn Winter Wonderland step by step on the saxophone, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to play it with the fingerings and note names step by step. I'm going to be playing this in the key of G major and I'm going to start on the note D. This is what it sounds like. So that's just the first few notes of Winter Wonderland. We're starting on D with the octave key and we're just going down to B, back up to D again, down to C, and then back up to D again. Now we're going up to F sharp with the octave key, down to E, then D with the octave key down to C. Then we go down to B, A, and then G. So we're actually just using the notes of the G major scale here, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F sharp. And we're just using those notes to play the first phrase of this song. So that's the first phrase of Winter Wonderland with the fingerings and note names. But if you want to download all the fingerings, the note names, and the sheet music for Winter Wonderland, go ahead and check out the link below, or just go to saxophonemasterclass.com/Wonderland, and you can download them absolutely free. That's really going to help you with following along with this lesson. So now we're moving on to the second section, but it's actually identical to the first section, so it's all the same notes. So I'm not going to go over that again. I'm going to move on to the B section of this song, which actually modulates into a different key. We're actually going to start using the notes of the E major scale. Again, you can download all of these fingerings using the link below. So we're going to start on F sharp, go up to D sharp, 3 fingers in the left hand, 3 fingers in the right hand, and this top key here, not this one, but this one, with the octave key. So it goes, and then we go down to G sharp, which is 3 fingers in the left hand and this G sharp key. Then we go up to E, 3 fingers in the left hand, 2 fingers in the right hand. Down to D sharp. And then finally B. So this is a little difficult to get. Make sure you're tonguing each of these notes. Now we're going to move on. We're playing all the same notes, but we're going to land on D sharp. So we just hold D sharp, we don't go down to B. In the next phrase we go to A, go up to F sharp, with the octave key, down to B, and then up to G. So this time we're not using this G sharp key. We're actually modulating back into G major. So we're going F sharp down to D, and then the last part of this section is F sharp, A, E, A, D, and we play each of those notes twice. So the entire B section sounds like this. And then all we do is go back to that first section. So again, it's all identical notes. It sounds like this. And then you can repeat those last 4 bars to finish off the song like this. And that's how you play Winter Wonderland step by step on the alto saxophone. But again, you can apply all of these fingerings, all of these notes to any saxophone and it will still sound good. If you want the note names, the fingerings, the sheet music so you can work on this song offline, check out the link below this video or just go to saxophonemasterclass.com/Wonderland. I really hope you got a lot out of this lesson. Let me know if you did below. And if you want to learn more holiday songs, go and check out this next video here.